this is really the place to be if you want to connect.
Everybody who's anybody in the industry is here.
You meet friends, you meet colleagues, you meet potential new business partners.
Everyone really wants to connect with you and understand what you do and how they can help.
It's formal, but it's also very informal.
We all work in aviation and we love seeing people face to face, and that's something that you just can't replicate.
There are so many different opportunities to do so many different things, so many different spaces.
This opens your mind. This is a showcase like no other.
You can't put something onto an aircraft without having tried it. We can have our hands on it, say we've seen it, we've tried it, we believe in it, and then we go to work to put it on the aircraft.
If you're addicted to aviation, you have to visit Hamburg.
Without doubt the best in the world.
AIX is the Super Bowl of the industry.